Interesting.
Yep. Wild dogs at play.
They are only 1,000, 5,000, and 3,000, 5,000. African gated dogs, like in the habitat lost. Mommy, hold on, Laura. Can I have a quarter?
Jude, can you please wait?
Oh, look at the cats.
I need a quarter.
No, we don't need them. They're running around right here. Look, Laura, they're right here. Right here. Look at them. They're wild dogs. I think it's almost like a chew toy. No, it's not a chew toy.
If they get bones on
Breakfast.
Thursday.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Yeah.
I don't have my glasses on.
Right,
so-
all the, right. So I have to wear mine or I don't see anything, you know? In case somebody asks me a question and I can't see it. There we go.